Hello everyone, are you ready for the new recipe? It's going to be very delicious. It's a pumpkin soup and very easy and tasty. So let's make this one. For this, we need a pumpkin, right? Pumpkin soup, pumpkin we requires. So approximately like 2 cups you can take pumpkin, half cup to three-fourth cup of capsicum. Even carrot is also like half cup or three-fourth cup or 1 cup. Like you can measure it like little bit vary that and this side, but pumpkin should be more. And I have slices this capsicum and I have made this pumpkin small pieces because we need that for garnishing. I will tell you how to do that. So take a clay pot or any vessel, steel vessel. I'm adding here 1.5 cup or 2 cup of water. It's okay to add little more if you want. So just cook these vegetables in this in a low flame. So I have taken here clay pot. Clay pot always should be cooked in a low flame. So that you have to keep in mind. The taste is also little bit differ. It gives you if you do with the clay pot, it's a best option. So let's put all the veggies. The three veggies we have taken, right? So carrot, pumpkin, and even capsicum. So we will cook this until it becomes soft, and don't overcook it. Make it little like half cook or three-fourth cook, right? Don't make it smashy kind of thing. Okay, now close the lid, let it be there. Let's cook. So meanwhile we can do this garnishing thing. See what I have taken here: pumpkin seeds and pumpkins and capsicums, which I have cut that in a slices, right? Small pieces of pumpkin. I'm adding here a little bit of gram flour. It's a gram flour, or you can add even the rice flour also, little bit. One like a 1 teaspoon or quarter teaspoon. However, it should be like coated little bit. So I have added that, and now I'm adding little salt and little pepper also. So only three items are there: pepper, salt, and gram flour. So now mix with the hand properly. It should coat evenly everything. So then you put this in a oven, roast it. If you don't have oven also, like just dry roast in a tawa, so you can do that. Cook this until it become crunchy little bit. Okay, now see it's boiling and I think it's cooked for me. Now it's cooked. Okay, so you have to take this out in a vessel and let it cool. Then we have to grind this. Okay, so take a mixer jar and add all the veggies which we have cooked it, right? So in this only we will add a little salt and one green chili. Like chili, if you want you can add one more also, two, according to your spice. But I always suggest to eat less spice, so I add only one or even half, or sometimes I don't add also. So uh, after grinding little bit you can add water which we have taken out from the veggies we cooked, right? That water only you can use it. So see the thickness, how much thickness you want, so you can add that water itself. Okay, so now I'm adding here a milk also. It's a coconut milk. Coconut milk is very easy to make. Just grind a fresh coconut with adding some water and then strain it. That's a coconut milk, right? Please go for plant based milk. It's a good for health and it's healthier too. So I'm just garnishing this on this soup, but you can add some more, like if you like that flavor of coconut you can add some more. But I'm just adding for the garnishing. So you can decorate with this, like you can make lines or whatever you feel like. And on the top of that I'm just adding the roasted veggies which we have roasted in the oven, right? So decorate your bowl however you feel like and make it very interesting. So and beautiful and attractive. So you are free. You are you may make yourself free and be creative and decorate whatever you feel handy. And I'm just adding only these three ingredients, even pepper little bit, just sprinkling it. So this is it guys. See, very easy, very beautiful, right? and healthy too. So you should make this one, okay? And let me know in the comment how it turned out. Now have this soup and be healthy, think healthy, and live healthy. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Namaste.